In addition to our extensive range of Surface devices, you can benefit from working with our Data Services team to help grow revenue, increase profits, and optimize your supply chain. We offer integrated services across device staging, project coordination, and secure storage to deliver commercially competitive turnkey solutions. Our Staging and Configuration Center is purpose-built and designed. You can leverage our endpoint configuration services to manage everything from a single unit configuration to thousands of devices across large-scale rollouts. We offer complete flexibility and can customize our services to meet your specific requirements, giving you the ability to add scale to your operations and significantly increase your capabilities. Staffed by a team of full-time endpoint engineers, we have the knowledge and experience to support your Microsoft Surface project needs. Our Data third-party logistics support our partners to store, manage, and ship Surface devices quickly and efficiently. These services include secure storage, inventory management, product handling and labeling, serial number tracking, and specialized freight, all of which are fully integrated with our comprehensive configuration and staging services. So consider us an extension to your team. With our dedicated project coordination team, we can work end-to-end with your team to deliver your Microsoft Surface projects. With years of experience and the resources required for successful project deployments, our team are here to support your business. And don't forget, Data Financial Services are also available to both our partners and your customers. If you'd like support with an upcoming Surface project or want to learn more, reach out to our Microsoft Surface team to get started.